Today I have a haul for you people, and this is a Patanjali haul. I have a bag full of goodies, so I'm going to take out each item and show you what I've got, and eventually I'll tell you about them. So first I have this. This is the body Uptan by Patanjali. I haven't used it yet. My sister did, and she says this is actually body Uptan. You should not put it on your face because it's got stuff like camphor, which can cause itchiness and irritation. So let me tell you all the things that it has. It has chironji, masoor dal, urad dal, jaw, peeli sarso, soya bean, chawal, badam, haldi, kapoor. That's almond, lentil, black gram, barley, mustard seeds, soya bean, rice, almonds, turmeric and camphor. So the camphor is the thing which is causing itchiness on your face. So you should not use it on your face but rather on the body. So you can say that Uptan we can easily make at home, then why go in for something like that? But you when you actually wanting to make a Uptan of such things, then grinding small quantities of chironji and stuff is a big deal. So you can indulge in something like this once in a while. I'll tell you how it actually is when I use it, so wait till then. So the next item I have here is obviously this jamun vinegar. One of my viewers say it has some preservatives in it. I'll talk about more when I talk about this jamun sirka in detail in my forthcoming videos, so stay tuned about that. The next thing, my favorite, mogra. One of my viewers called is moga soap. It's not moga, it's mogra, M-O-G-R-A. That's a particular flower, so I love it. I always go and buy it, So I was talking about this soap. When initially I had bought it, it was very strong smelling, but now it's not that strong smelling as it was once. So I think they have deteriorated the quantity of fragrance that they are using in this soap. Next, I have bought this, and I must tell you, I have actually opened it and smelled it. It's really beautiful to smell. And what is this? This is beauty cream, and it claims to have lots of things inside it. So Grit Kumari, that's aloe vera, Babaji's all-time favorite. Then Gehu ka tel, Kutak, Anantmul, Manjisht, Haldi, Tulsi. So all good things for skin. I'm going to try it for at least 15 days before giving any views or any review on this product. But this is something new that I have found this time in my haul. Then the shampoo that I always talk about, Kesh Kanti Shikakai, and I have Kesh Kanti Rita. I don't understand why can't Rita and Kesh Kanti Shikakai be put together into one. I'll talk about it in the video that I'm going to make about the shampoos, updates on it. I already have a video, but I'm going to make an update because I went ahead and bought another shampoo, which I'm going to show you in a while. So the next thing, amla juice. Again, amla juice consumed by my husband. Easy to have in the morning. In the morning when you are in a rush, you actually cannot go and take out juice from amla and consume it or refrigerate it for a long period of time. So it's quite handy, but it does have some sodium benzoate. We'll talk about it in another video. Then I have gone ahead and bought this. This is hair wash, coconut hair wash. But I was very intrigued to see a coconut hair wash, like hair oil and hair wash in one, because these days I'm using hair oil separately, though my hair is already in a better condition than it was before. But let's see how it will work. And yes, Babaji's all-time favorite aloe vera is quite evident here also, because along with the nariyal tel he has put in aloe vera, then methi extract and mehendi extract and stuff like that. It's a new product that I'm going to try and I'm going to tell you. This is my haul, so I'm showing you what I bought and I'm going to tell you about them in my forthcoming videos. Then this face wash. I went ahead and bought this. Some people claim that this face wash is herbal and has vitamin. It claims that it has vitamin E, vitamin A, activated carbon, and is herbal, containing lemon, neem, and aloe vera. Aloe vera, as always. So I actually used it the night I bought it. That's yesterday night, and I opened it and I smelled it. This smells a bit like I don't know. It smells like old soap and stuff like that. I have to tell you something very important about this. So stay tuned for this video in future because you got to know this. This face wash they claim is as good. Some people are claiming is as good as the black color other company one that you find. But I have to tell you the reality about this product. The next two things which are not from Patanjali but we just picked it up are this Alsi Beach, which is flax seeds, and some common black salt which we use in all our salads and stuff. And coming to the final two things which I'm very excited about in this haul is these. These are the energy bar and chocolate superstar from Patanjali. Let me show you. This is Patanjali energy bar. And this is superstar chocolate from Patanjali. And this chocolate contains milk and soya and stuff, so read all the instructions if you are going to eat it because some people may be allergic to soya and stuff, and some are lactose intolerant, so be careful when you are buying such products. Obviously you are. And then this energy bar which has orange peel and flavors. So the surprise is I'm going to unwrap both of these and eat it and tell you exactly what they are right now. This is going to be a review kind of a thing. I don't know, you might be tempted to go and buy and eat it, but let me tell you how it is actually is. So this is the orange energy bar, first bite ever. Okay, something made out of gur and patti and something like that with orange flavor, a toffee or a gur ki patti with something crunchy, the layya or moody that you have all thrown in together. Quite okay. Energy bar, like if you have a sweet tooth you can go for that and it's going to be a healthy option. Next, coming to the chocolate. Healthy chocolate. Weird, no? So this is the very first bite of this chocolate. It's got something white and between. Actually it's good. It's something like 5-star, but not that chewy. Actually I'm liking it a lot. And I didn't even refrigerate it, and this is a very hot temperature. Like this is hot temperature right now. We are in the month of April, May. It's not melted or anything, and it's got these two things oozing out of it. Not oozing out, it's actually seen. This is an interesting chocolate. I like it. You can go and buy it. I enjoy it. I'm going to share the rest with my husband. It has got something like 5-star or something like 5-star, but this is better. And this is my new all-time favorite chocolate. Hope you enjoyed this video haul, and I'm going to tell you more about the things that I buy, so that next time you're going to buy something, you know what you're buying. And do stay tuned for the future videos because I'm going to tell you very important things about some of the things that I have discovered. So love you guys. Enjoy yourself and bless you, and thank you so much for viewing my videos. Love all, and do subscribe.